Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on to miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading every single day in September, which is absolutely insane, so I would recommend going and checking out the other videos I've uploaded so far and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of the future ones as well. As you can tell by the thumbnail, today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Soap and Glory Advent Calendar for 2023. This retails for £46. I've not even had a little sneaky preview, so I'm excited to actually open this together. So it says the gift contents within this are worth £87.75. It says 24 treats till the big day. And then the actual Advent Calendar opens up like this. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like my little improvisation of using some IKEA boxes to add a bit of height to the Advent Calendar so you can actually see it. So I have a feeling this is going to be like the Revolution ones where you take a box out and it'll all fall. So let's just see how we get on with this one. I can already smell the content and it smells amazing. I've not had a Soap and Glory Advent Calendar for years. I think I've only had it once before. But let's just get straight into it. So let's start with day number 1, which is this big one at the bottom here. I think this is all going to fall. So with it being 24 in here and the retail price being £46, it means for each door you've paid £1.9192p, depending on if you want to round it up. So let's start with day number 1 and see whether this is worth the money. So for day number 1, we have the Soap and Glory Bright and Beautiful Biodegradable Brightening Sheet Mask. Definitely worth the price tag for this one. And then this is just what it looks like. Says it's a revitalising mask that has been infused with a special essence containing a cocktail of ingredients, including vitamin C, white flower brightening complex, and it's scented with refreshing pink grapefruit and mint oils. I don't know what smells in this Advent Calendar, but something smells unbelievable. So yeah, I'm actually quite happy with that for day number 1. Then we have day number 2, which is definitely going to fall. Could not for the life of me work out how to open that. And then in this one, we have the Call Fruity Body Butter. I absolutely, oh my god, it's like about to fall out everywhere. I absolutely love fruity scents. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, it smells like, I'm sure I've had a Yankee candle that smells a bit like this before. But it smells unbelievable. So yeah, I'm quite happy for that for day number 2, especially with it being more of like a fruity scent as well. I'm going to change it to flat just because I know that it's going to start falling everywhere. So moving on to day number 3, which is a huge heavy one. I'm guessing it's going to be like a body mist or something. Oh, no, it's not. It's a full-size hydrating foot cream. So this is a 125ml bottle. It says for soft and smooth feet, massage a generous layer onto clean feet, pop on some cotton socks and then let it soak in overnight. Oh my god, it smells so nice. That's the thing about Soap and Glory stuff, it always smells unbelievable. And then moving on to day number 4. Ooh, okay, so we have a body scrub. This is like a 50ml one. This is the Magnifi Cocoa. Magnifi Cocoa. And this is it's scented with coconut and sweet vanilla. Let's have a sniff. Ooh, with this one as well. I haven't had Soap and Glory stuff for so long, so I've like not smelt a lot of their new stuff. Oh my god, that smells unbelievable. The coconut, like the vanilla, you can really smell like alongside each other, and it just kind of like sweetens up the holiday scent. That is gorgeous. So that is a little body scrub for day number 4. Then for day number 5, oh, we have another big one. This looks like another full-size product. So this is the Speed Plump Intensely Hydrating Day Lotion. Oh, okay, for normal dry skin with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. So just apply a light layer, let it sink in, and apply makeup over the top, and voila, you're ready to go. That's really interesting. I've never tried anything like that from Soap and Glory, so excited to give that a go. Then we have day number 6. By the way, all of these so far have been like such good value for the days. So moving on to day number 6. Oh my god, we have the body butter that matches the body scrub, the Magnifi Cocoa one. Oh, this one's not as stringy as the other one that I opened, but like the other body butter. Oh my god, that smells phenomenal. It smells so nice. Definitely more of like a refreshing, summery kind of scent, but yeah, that is beautiful. Moving on to day 7, which is like a little itty bitty one. Oh, I think this might be a bath bomb. Yeah, I think so. No, it's a bubble bar, a perfect zen and bubble bath bar. So it doesn't actually smell that strong in comparison to the other stuff. But yeah, just a little bubble bar. I definitely don't use stuff like this. I'm not a bath person. I've said this for years on my YouTube. It's just not for me. So I'll definitely give that to a new home instead. Looking for number 8. Where are you? There it is. Then we have number 8, which is quite heavy actually. Oh my god, absolute classic. The Soap and Glory Clean on Me Hydrating Body Wash. I absolutely love the scent of this. I remember ages and ages ago, like years ago, I got sent some PR from Soap and Glory and they sent me a Clean on Me that had like my picture on it. So cool. Oh, it's just like a classic smell. Yeah, buzzing with that. Then we have day number 9, which is like a long skinny one. Have the Soap and Glory Speed Plump Super Hydrating Miracle Moisture Hydrogel Sheet Mask for normal dry skin. Just looks like this. This super moisturising hydrogel mask is formulated to help smooth and hydrate the skin. It has a blend of hyaluronic acid, rosa rugosa, safflower and peony extract, and it's scented with an uplifting and revitalising fragrance with sweet orange peel oil. That's pretty cool. Absolutely brilliant. My skin looked better after one use. 92% of users of their skin felt instantly moisturised after use. Okay, well that's going to be amazing, especially for my combination skin. She's going to soak that up. So that is day number 9. Absolutely buzzing with that. Day number 10, hidden right in the top corner. Oh, this one feels really, really light. Oh, what's this one? I think this might be an eye mask. Yeah, we have the Puffy Eye Tack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. Revitalises and refreshes tired puffy eyes with cucumber juice and licorice root. So we have an eye mask. Definitely getting like your value for this advent calendar. Like really, really happy with this. Helps to reduce like any puffiness underneath your eyes, but also helps to make any tired eyes look brighter and more awake. So yeah, day number 11. I think this looks like another mask. I wonder if it's like a lip one. Yeah, so we have the Pout About It Hydrogel Lip Mask with coconut water and hyaluronic acid. So you're literally getting like a mask for everything. So you've got 2 sheet masks so far for your face and under eye, and then also you have a lip mask as well. So it says it'll help to hydrate dry lips that need a bit of boost, a bit of hydration, plump and a nice little pout. Day 12 is really heavy and really big. What is this? Oh my god. The whole advent calendar just smells amazing. I can't suss out what it is, whether it's just all of it together. It's the Scrub of Your Life Smoothing Body Scrub, and this is obviously a full size one, so definitely worth the moolah. This is a 200ml bottle. Oh, and it's like that classic pink Soap and Glory smell, like the classic smell. So yeah, definitely would get me use out of that, especially when I've been fake tanning for nights out and stuff. On to day 13. I think this is another mask. There's a lot of masks in this one. It's the Fab Pore Biodegradable Pore Refining Sheet Mask with lemon balm, lavender and eucalyptus. And it just says clear, I don't know what that means. But it says for oily and combination skin, so right up my street. Quick and easy facial for instant porefection. Reformulated, this mask helps to smooth and refine pores whilst absorbing excess oil. Skin is instantly revitalised and looks shine free with our cool, refreshing chamomile and mint fragrance. You actually can smell it a bit through the packaging. But yeah, definitely excited to try that. I know it's a lot of masks in this. However, I am not the person who buys masks. Like, they're just not something that I would spend money on. And I definitely wouldn't pay the price for like Soap and Glory masks because I'm just a bit tight when it comes to a mask. I think I just put it in my face for a little bit and then I peel it off and it goes in the bins. It feels like a bit of a waste sometimes. It's nice to actually get them in an advent calendar where I wouldn't normally buy them myself, if that makes sense. On to day 14, which is another little one. Oh, the first disappointing one. It's a bubble. I just wish that it was something else. So there's like a little bubble with a little bow on it, a little scrunchie. It's quite a tight scrunchie. Don't know if I like that or not, but hey ho, what can you do? What can you do? So yeah, at least that one is like with the branding, so it kind of matches the Soap and Glory vibe. Then moving on to day 15, which feels really heavy. It feels like a little bottle, this one. Ooh, so we have the Call of Fruity Refreshing Body Wash. Ooh, Oh my god, that smells unbelievable. And again, something that I would definitely get my use out of. It is a 75ml, so it's one of their minis, but I will still get my use out of it anyway. Moving on to day 16. Oh, it's this one, a little bottle. Oh, we have a facial wash. This is the Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash. It's for all skin types, and it has yuzu extract in it. It says for cleaner, smoother and more radiant skin, and this is a 50ml bottle. That is day 16. I'm actually so happy with this so far. Oh my god, 17's huge. Go on to... Oh, it's really light though. What is this? Oh my god, I absolutely love these. So these are like cleansing pads. I'm obsessed with my Sally Hughes and Revolution ones. I've got so many of them, and these feel so soft, so fluffy and so squishy, like the Sally Hughes ones. I absolutely am buzzing. I think old Lucy would have been like, oh, this is such a waste, but current Lucy, obsessed with these, will definitely get her use out of them, and very happy that they are behind door 17. Funny fact, the 17th of December is the date that Blake proposed to me, funny enough. Moving on to day 18, which feels like a heavy bottle again. Ooh, so we have the Perfect Zen Calming Bath Milk. This is a 75ml one. It says, simply swirl into a warm bath to indulge in a cocoon of calm. Oh, that smells lovely, doesn't it? Wish I was a bath person, but I just get bored when I'm in it. Oh my god, that smells amazing though. Oh, Blake will definitely get some use out of that. This one is day 19. Oh my god, this is a full-size Righteous Butter body butter. Huge. Absolutely huge. Like, it'll take you so long to get through this bad boy. It's in their signature original pink fragrance, which is just like classic Soap and Glory smell. Oh, I take so long to get through these because I am so lazy. I never ever use body butter, so it's definitely something that I need to improve on, and I've got a huge new bottle to do that. So that was day 19. Then we have day 20, my happy birthday. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, it's a little candle. Stop. That is cute as. The Perfect Zen Lavender and Tonka Fragrance Candle. Literally put like the Zen bath milk into the bath, have a relaxing bath with your candle on. Oh, it smells so nice. It's not as strong, the candle, as what the bath milk smelled like, but that smells really nice. Oh yeah, I'm buzzing that it's a little candle for my happy birthday. That was a really good one. So that was day 20. Again, definitely worth the price tag that you've paid for it. And then going on to day 21, we have hand food. I always give my hand creams to my friend Laura. She works at NHS, so she's always washing her hands, so hand cream is definitely needed. This is the Hydrating Hand Cream with macadamia oil and marshmallow root extract. And then moving on to 22. This one feels really, really light. Second disappointing one. We have a nail file. I will admit, I do actually use these quite a bit when I've got like little dangly bits on the side of my nails. I'd rather have something else, or at least have something like two things in here, like a pair of tweezers and the nail file, just to make it a bit more worth the moolah. But yeah, that's it. So far, only two have disappointed me. Two left anyway. We have number 23, which sounds like a sponge. Surely not when it's Soap and Glory. We have a little cleansing pad. It actually has the little Soap and Glory logo on the back of it. Yeah, a little cleansing pad for when you're doing your face wash. So that was day 23. And then last but not least, we have day 24, which is, look at, what is this? It's a rollerball fragrance. Oh my god. So it's a Roll on the Glory rollerball fragrance in their original pink flavour scent. It literally smells like straight up Soap and Glory, but a perfume. Oh my god, that's so nice. It'd be really nice if you've used like all of the stuff together, and then you top off like your body butter and everything with like a bit of fragrance at the end, just to keep that scent there for even longer. I love that. I would have liked that in a fruity one as well. Like, it would have been nice to have a couple of them in there, but that's just because that's right up my street. Definitely a good one to save for day 24. But yeah, this is the full advent calendar. I would love to know what you think down below. Is this something that you'll be picking up? Is it something that you're interested in? Is Soap and Glory your cup of tea? I personally haven't got like Soap and Glory stuff for such a long time, so this advent calendar like fills so many of the gaps of products that I've been missing. I'm honestly really impressed with this. It's definitely been worth the price tag for me. I'd love to know what you think down below though. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Don't forget I'll be back tomorrow for a new Vlogtober video. And yeah, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. And I'll hopefully see you in another one very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.